Hey everybody, Shawn Westbrook from Community Real Estate Group and ShawnandAnge.ca. Angela says hello, happy Tuesday. Although right now it is Monday evening, a storm just blew through here, but I have a crazy today. So I had to do this video last night. I think I got that right. So anyway, you're seeing this on Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. We're gonna get to the $100 gift card winner in just a moment, but before we do that, we wanted to share some really positive news. We've sold a couple of homes to first-time home buyers. They wouldn't have been able to buy a home a month ago, or 3 months ago, or 5 or 8 or 12 months ago. They would not have been able to compete in the craziest, most aggressive real estate market I've seen in almost 30 years. We are so happy for them. These are positive things. There's a lot of doom and gloom. There's a lot of negativity out in the world right now. I know interest rates have gone up. It's costing people more money to have their home. Be thankful you have a home. But it's really encouraging right now to see what's happening to some of the people that weren't able to get inside of the market. That's the way I'm looking at this right now. There is a new opportunity for a whole bunch of people that were shunned for a long time. So Ange and I are super excited about the prospects of this. We've also helped people move up. They saw better value in an upper home and decided to sell their home and move up because the prices have stabilized out, or in some cases even come down. So there's a lot of different things in play right now. We've done our job for so long, we're going to continue to do it day in, day out. We will answer questions, we will tell people the truth, we will give them context to the questions that they're asking so they can make intelligent decisions. You have come to know that when you reach out to us, we will get back to you right away. Keep doing it. We really appreciate it. It means the world to us. Reach us out, or reach out to us on our cell phones, through our different websites, different social media accounts. We're always around, and we hope to hear from you one day in the future. Without further ado, the winner of this month's $100 keg gift card is